Hello viewers, we'll be going over TQQ and SQQ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and how I developed that idea for TQQ and SQQ. So let's start off with the technical analysis. For TQQ, we closed down 30 basis points on Friday on the 1 hour chart. What we have here is we bounce right along the 50 moving average, that's the yellow line, and we're starting to approach to negative MACD. If we extend that further onto the 4 hour chart, at the moment, we approach the positive MACD, however, we start to see a slight divergence, and we're still resting along the 18 moving average, this purple line. As for the daily chart, if we expand out further, we bounce right off the 18-day moving average back on August 11th. This 18-day moving average is this purple line, and we are resting also on the 9-day moving average, this blue line today, or on Friday, I should say. We are still experiencing sideways action for the daily MACD. So as for the, say, trade idea of the week, my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my entry for TQQ will be around $119.83. That is around where the 18-day moving average resides, and my sell target for TQQ will be around $130.37, around where we encounter near all-time highs. And as for my stop loss for my long position is $117.16, so around this range right here. So as for the day-by-day probability model for TQQ, as we progress to the 5th day, we have a 50% chance for it to climb between 0 to 19%. On the other hand, to the downside, a 38% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 19%, and on the extreme case, to the downside, a 13% chance for it to fall between negative 19% to negative 38%. So now let's examine SQQ. And Friday closed above 55 basis points on the 1 hour chart. What we have here is we are starting to approach to positive MACD. And as for the 4 hour chart, what we have here is we see a slight convergence, still in negative MACD. And as for the daily chart, if we expand that further, we are still continuing to make lower highs, so there is still downward pressure. And as for the trade idea of the week for SQQ, if I were to open a position for SQQ, my entry would be $5.15. That is where we slightly below where we encountered all-time lows of $5.31. And my sell target will be $5.69. That is fairly close to where the 9-day moving average resides and previous resistance that dated back to August 12th. And as for the stop loss, it will be around $4.95, so around this range right here. So now let's examine the day-by-day probability model for SQQ. As we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 8% chance for it to climb between 0 to 6.6%, and on the extreme case, a 15% chance for it to climb between 6.6% to 13%. On the other hand, to the downside, we have a 77% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 6.6%. So in this video, we went over TQQ and SQQ. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.